Hi, Bruce from Safiery, and we're back into 2026 with just an unbelievable product here. Let me step this through. This is going into the canopy of a Raptor. It's designed so that he can take it out of that product and put it into his next canopy, a dual cab ute. Let me just close the lid on it. This is a Pelican case. It can be set at a high IP rating if you wish, but let's open it up. But the detail we've got here is just incredible. I've just gone through it. So for a start, we've got the battery on off that we've got here. We've got AC in here for the shore power, usual inverter here, but we've got the remote switch outside here, so he does not need to lift up the lid. Notice the little wheels on the bottom here. This can be pulled up and wheeled into place. We've got Andersons here. We're going to come back to the screen. On this side, we've got our Starlight. Now, this has to be the most certified product in the world at the moment. I'm going to run up on the screen here the certifications it's got, but this product here can output 1.27 kilowatts continuously when it's switching. It's on CAN. On the back here, we've got the Amphenol connectors that we always use. So we've got, this is for power coming in from the alternator, and there's an alternative set here for the compressor. And then we've got a bunch of other cabling here for temp sensors for the alternator and other things. The alternator for this pack is a 250 amp alternator. So the Scotty in here that you can see down here with the blue light flashing, that's going to charge this pack of batteries here, the solid state batteries here, at 250 amps. It actually only needs to charge at about 210 to get 3000 watts out of. So these batteries here in a 12 volt equivalent are 217 amp hours each. So the four of those combined is, what's that, 868, let's say 870 amp hours, 12 volt equivalent, but they will charge very, very quickly. So, and then we've got a 5000 kVA inverter underneath here, a Victron one. We've got all the other Victron in here. We've got two different solar controllers, but let's now look at the screen on the front. So the screen on the front of that has got in it the alternator down here. The Scotty is now fully on the Victron system now. You'll see everything coming in here. Of course, we've got the battery in the middle discharging, the AC, the inverter. I can touch any of these. But what's clever on this is if I touch up here, I'm straight into the digital switching. And this customer is going to use the VRM to do his digital switching around the truck. He's going to run that live. That can run without the internet by connecting directly into the turbo here. So he can use his mobile phone, do all the switching on it, or he can come to the case and turn things on and off on here like I'm just doing now. He can run color, he can run everything. So this is one of the first examples we've got where the integration of the digital switching and the whole Victron system is just superb. I've got to say, how good is that?